Do we work with you, Ian, through the whole process? I am very involved with every one of our projects, as Forest Street Builders is a company that I started and have a lot of a lot of experience and a lot invested into. And so I do oversee every one of the projects, but I do it with my project managers, site supervisors, as well as our laborers and carpenters on staff. So I might not be the person that you speak with every day, but I am heavily involved in every project. I'm very involved in the sales process of the relationship. And once we get into the construction part, we will do a handoff meeting where you will meet our project manager and we'll make sure that we're all on the same page and that everyone is aware of what's going on, what's the scope, what are we trying to achieve with this build. And if there's any questions along the way, I'm definitely accessible via email, phone, text, whatever works the best for a client.